Hey everyone, we have some second gen Acura RDX headlights finished up today. Building these all the time, multiple sets going out a month for fixing the very common problem that these factory headlights have. They basically degrade internally, light output starts to diminish, and dropping in upgraded bulbs and whatnot just really doesn't fix the problem. So our solution is a brand new set of OE style headlights, which are converted with 3-inch bi LED projectors. These housings also come with all the accessory bulbs already populated inside the headlights, so you don't even need to swap over anything from your old lights. So it's a quick removal and replace type job, easily done by yourself if you have the capability. It's a DIY-able install, or bring it to your favorite local independent shop. These headlights are going to significantly improve the output performance of your headlights and are just a direct replacement for your factory housings. Whether or not your factory lights have suffered from the light output degradation, these headlights are just going to completely blow them away due to the upgraded projectors that we're using internally. We use NHK bi LED projectors, pretty much standard, very reputable brand. We haven't had one failure on these projectors to date yet. Very, very reliable. We prefer them over HID based setups as well. So if you're interested in ordering the second gen Acura RDX headlights, check us out at VisionAutoworks.com. We have a headlight package for this vehicle, and you can order directly on the website. Additionally, we do offer customization options such as custom painting, LED modification such as halos, demon eyes, LED strips, and finally we do offer headlight protection film if you want to protect those lenses. These have the headlight protection film installed, and we also offer ceramic coating. If you have any further questions about ordering, you can contact us via phone or email. Our contact information is on our website.